ma channel French with Do. Salut à tous, bienvenue à la chaîne French with Do. My name is Do. Je m'appelle Do. So a quick recap on French alphabet. You can take it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F. When you are taking the letter E, you round your mouth. You round your mouth a little bit, then you pronounce it. E. I hope you can see my mouth. E, E, F, F. Thank you. Today we'll discuss French phonetics. La phonétique française. Alors, allons au cours. Let's meet in class. La phonétique. You can take it after me. La phonétique. French phonétique. Les sons nasaux. Les sons nasaux. Ou les voyelles nasales. Les voyelles nasales. In English, it means nasal vowel. Nasal vowels. Or nasal sounds. Nasal sounds. So the objective of this topic is to help us learn how to pronounce French words and read them properly. Now in the brackets, you can see a symbol. We have learned alphabet A. So you just open your mouth, beat open A. Then you sound it from your nose. So it is translated in letters A, N. Ou bien en français A, N. A, N. So let's pronounce it from our nose. Good, you are doing well. So we can have examples or have it in words such as companion. Companion. In English it means campaign. Tante. Tante. In English it means aunt. We have another way of what? Writing with letters A-M. A-M. In words such as come. Come. In English, come. Come. Ambassador. Ambassador. Which means embassy. Embassy. The next one, E-N. E-N. In words such as enfant. Enfant. Which means child. The next one, dent. Dent. Which means tooth. Dentiste. Dentiste. Which means dentist. Dentist. The next one is with letters E-M. E-M. I told you to pronounce E, just round your mouth and sound it. E-M. So with the sound, nasal sound, we have in words such as empereur. Empereur. Which means emperor. Remplir. Remplir. Which means fill. This is a verb. Embêtant. Embêtant. Which means irritating. Irritating. Good. The next symbol we have in the bracket here is N. So I hope you can pronounce it N. When you pronounce it, you don't feel it in your nose, then you are not pronouncing it well. So let's take it N. N. So you can have it in letters E-N. E-N. N. N. If you like, you can press one side of your nose and try to pronounce it N. So you will feel it right in your nose. N. So you can have it in words such as ingénieur. Ingénieur. In English, engineer. Engineer. The next example, pen. Pen. So you can still feel it in your nose. Pen, which means bread. Bread. The next one, fen. Fen, which means end. End. Demain. Demain, which means tomorrow. Demain. Now the next symbol in our bracket is So it is translated into letters O-N. And you can pronounce it after me. Still in from your nose. So we can find them in words such as more, which means man. Regardons. This is a verb conjugated in present tense with pronouns or personal pronouns nous, which means we. Look. It means regardons means look or watch. So you can say we look, or here nous regardons. So the next example, citron. Citron, which means lemon. Lemon. Now let's move to the next symbol in our bracket, or let's say our last nasal symbol. So this is pronounced Sometimes it may be pronounced similarly with n. So you can have it here, which means one, number one. So you can have it in words set lundi, which means Monday. Or you can also write it with letters U-N, humble. So you can pronounce it with ease, humble, which means humble. Kindly like my channel, share it, subscribe to it. You can learn French with Do wherever you are, in your home, in your office, in your class, wherever you find yourself. You can still learn French with Do. Au revoir.